Sema asafuye amawadia wayanuti essentialia wayamami mo mo Sema asafuye. Good morning. How are you doing? I want to believe you are doing well and also keeping safe. I thank God for a bright and a sunny Sunday morning. The time is 9:55. I woke up about 5 minutes ago. I thank God that I could sleep for that long a time. Some of you want to know how I am able to balance my private life with YouTube, and so I decided to show you a Sunday routine, a busy Sunday routine. I'm saying a busy one because I don't do most of the activities that I'm coming to do today. I don't wash every Sunday, but I want to do my last washing for the year in Takoradi today, and then pack one or two and go home. I get so happy anytime I am going home. So I am going to change my bed sheet. I have a mop and a bucket, but I love to mop this way by way of exercising. I sit down a lot to read in the course of the day, so I do some of these things to keep myself fit. So fit farm for your crew. So I always take my bath before I run my laundry, so that after the laundry I'll just come straight to do whatever I want to do. And look at my toothpaste. So I'm going down memory lane. Let me know in the comment section if you have been doing it or you have tried this before. The toothpaste is almost done. Umi akrampa emba. So I always cut it open from the base. We leave no stone unturned when it comes to the toothpaste. So you see how much I have gotten. I'm going to fold it and then close this side again and use it in the evening and probably tomorrow morning. So I am going to take my bath. I will see you later. I didn't do the ends well. A sanity. Me. Abena, please write the lyrics of this song in the comment section for me. I have been humming it since morning. I don't know the words. You know, I'm not a charismatic or Pentecostal. Uni nia wuni. Ta ta da 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 da. Obinti sawon. Osoro ni famuha. Uya krum krum. Krum 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 da 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 da. If you're an African taking certain decisions, you have to consider so many factors with water. I would be eating fufu. How? Are you seeing what I am seeing? My plantain is ripe. What will I be doing with this? Okay, I'll fry kelewele. So I want to dry the bunch. I want to peel and set it aside so that when I am going to hang the things on the drying line, I will put it on fire. Okay, so for the white, I always add blue to the water that I'll use to rinse it. Then add a little antiseptic. I don't have fabric softener. For washing powder, I don't have, and I'm not going to buy because someone is going to teach me how to make a DIY. Is it a jonyame adom yen? And I say a jonyame enkum yen wama fipato yen. Done with the washing, I want to go and dry. The sun is very high, so I came to pick my lens and just look. This one is broken. I don't know how I am going to manage it. The first time when I was making this lens, I did not check because I didn't have money to buy a better frame, so I chose this not knowing it was metal. I always go for plastic frame, and just look at what I have. I think I'm going to manage it like this. Have you seen this dog? This is where it always sleeps. And when I pound fufu, in my last vlog, that fufu that I pounded, it did not eat because there was no plantain. This is the second time I wire misa. And this fufu too, the plantain is not much. So I'll give it banku. It is hungry. It's almost 1 p.m. I am very hungry. So I am snacking on this Cerelac. So this is how I hang my things. I spread them so that it will have much air. I don't compact them. It is spices enough for the kelewele. I am using this much of the rosemary and anise seeds and sony. I always soak my cloves because my blender is not that strong. It's me the onions see come. Okay, so the blender could blend everything well. This is the residue. thought I was filming it, not knowing it wasn't. So I have already prayed. As the president of the Fit Farm Association of YouTube, I want to invite you all to this feast. Look at the ant. This is about the 4th time that I am doing this exercise. So since I bought this groundnut, I don't know what to do with the ants. Anytime I buy those powder, they tend not to come. But I want an everlasting solution and not that one time remedy. They are disturbing me. Okay, so I want to sleep. I'm feeling sleepy, and the way I'm feeling, if I don't take a nap, I'm not going to be productive. I know by now I have more than 20 alerts of videos to watch. On the lighter side, I think YT should put a limit on Vlogmas, because as for data, I have data because I have Wi-Fi. But if I watch the video, I have to comment. I have to watch the video to know what has been said and comment appropriately, and that is not easy. That is not easy. I am working on this cute bag, and I hope to finish it before I sleep tonight. Yeah, so I could not sleep because I had a call. I did not put my phone on silent, so someone interrupted my nap. But the lens, as I made plans, I had saved to buy a ring light for my videos, but I have to do the lens to because I was thinking I could wait until probably March or April to have a new one. But first things first, Abby, you know. One thing I also didn't like about this one is when I am in the sun, I see it to be too dark. That is the darkest shade I've had ever since I started wearing my lens. The ants, I don't know what to do to them. They are everywhere in this house. Just look. I changed the groundnut and look at how much I have here. They are tempting me to murder on a lighter side. See, I don't want to be a murderer, but these ants, they are pushing me to be one. So I'm going to do the needful. I will kill all of them. So the calamari is ready. You are invited. Okay, so I am inside now, and now watching videos on my phone. So I am watching Patricia's video on the African market. Yeah, that is what I'm seeing. Body bunch. I'm seeing cocoa and those things. The time is 9:20 p.m. I am not sleepy. I am now coming to work on the bag. I don't think I'll be able to finish as I said in the morning. Thanks for watching from the beginning up to this time. I leave you with the peace and the mercies of the Most High. Peace, respond. Shalom. Bye bye.